You are watching Morning Musings with Reinhard von Hennigs, chairman and founder of Bridge House Law in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What is Ridgeway Sans? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And with the word sans at the end, you may already guess it. It is a font. It is a typeface, and it was created by Patagonia. Patagonia, the powerhouse of innovation as well as outdoorsy, created a new style of typeface. They named it Ridgeway after one of their colleagues who used to work for Patagonia. They took over the G from their old Patagonia logo and created a sans, a clean lettering for the new branding, even though the logo will remain the same. This attempt was not just about aesthetics, it was about innovation, and it was also a little bit about pointing that this one person who's the namesake of this new type is indeed special for the organization. In my career, I met companies who told me very proudly, oh, we created our own typeface, we created our own fonts, and we did it because we felt it was a good way to separate ourselves from competition and also a good way to identify who we are. But there is a legal complexity behind. The legal complexity is who owns the font. And the question of who owns the font can be best seen if you look into courts. In 2011, a type font creator sued Warner Brothers for allegedly using a typeface reassembling one of its licensed fonts in Harry Potter merchandise without permission. The lawsuit exactly points out one thing: check before use. And the use of a font in a global business is not just, do I like it, but also, am I allowed to use it? Because once you use marketing materials, once your usage of the type is out, then it may be a legal problem if it was not properly licensed. Think not only about redoing packaging, marketing, but also paying a royalty or being subject to damages. But there are also some other cute fonts out. There are fonts which nobody likes. Comic Sans is one of them. It's often criticized for being so unprofessional. It was initially created by Microsoft to make it more attractive to younger users, and in reality, it was just not attractive to anybody. Let's think about Coca-Cola. Everybody see the script in front of their eyes if I say the brand. This is good, but it's also specific, and it carries trademark implications. If you want to use a Coca-Cola font, maybe the legal challenge is just a glass away. So legal business and font business and branding business go often very hand in hand, and a cease and desist order is nothing you as a business owner would like to get. If you think globally, licensing in one country may not need immediately that it is a license in another country. So in other words, you need licenses in every country where you want to operate with. If you have a thought about your own company, let's think about, is a new typography for you a good idea to go? Is it a new way to create a brand identity? Or is it too much of a legal risk? Is it an untapped opportunity? Let me know your thoughts, and especially if you have an own font, share it with me. I would love to see it and, of course, not use it.
Whether you're a private citizen, an international business leader, or simply someone eager to stay on top of the latest news, this book is a great way to get caught up on the most recent developments in the worlds of international business, tax, politics, and social affairs. Go to morningmusings.com and order your copy today.
Thank you for joining us today. If you would like more information about Bridge House Law, please visit our website at bridgehouse.law. Before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more up-to-date content. Bridge House Law, business-minded, client-focused.